Hello, today we will guide you through how to enter a promo code on Booking.co. To begin, open the Booking website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the main official site. This is important because promo code and wallet features are typically tied to your account, so using the correct site helps ensure everything appears as expected. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This is where you can access your personal account options, including rewards, saved details, and wallet-related features. If you are not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in before you can continue. Make sure you are using the account where you want the promo code to be stored. After opening the account menu, select Rewards and Wallet. This section is where Booking keeps available travel credits, discounts, and eligible coupons connected to your profile. If you do not immediately see the option, give the menu a quick scan, since account layouts can sometimes vary slightly depending on device or region. Once you are inside the wallet area, look for the option that says Add Coupon into Wallet and click it. This will open the page where you can manually enter a promo or coupon code. This step is important because entering the code here links it directly to your account, making it easier to apply later when you book an eligible reservation. Now enter your promo code into the coupon field. Be careful to type it exactly as provided. Promo codes are often case sensitive and may not work if there are extra spaces before or after the code. If you copied the code from another source, it can help to paste it in and then quickly check that the text looks correct. After entering the code, review it once more before submitting. If the code is valid, it should be added to your wallet and become available for use according to its terms and conditions. Keep in mind that some promo codes only apply to certain properties, dates, regions, or booking types, so even a valid code may come with restrictions. If the code does not work, double check for typing errors and confirm that it has not expired. You may also want to verify that you are signed into the correct account. That's all there is to it. You've now seen how to enter a promo code on Booking.co.